Hey guys, so here is the opportunity to earn UXLINK Airdrop Season 2. In case you miss out on the Season 1, like on, was it July, thereabouts, they listed and it printed some couple of dollars, okay. So if you miss out on the Season 1, this is an opportunity to farm the Season 2, and the tax for Season 2 is quite different, and I should say it's easier, yeah. So you can proceed, and if you do not sign up, if you haven't signed up on this UX link at all, just check the link in the description box of this video. Then come to OKX Wallet, paste the link on your DAB browser on OKX Wallet. You click on, for some people that doesn't understand that browser, this is it. Come to discover here, paste the link. I'm using OKX Wallet. You paste the link here and you click on search. So because I already have the link, then you can I'll just proceed. So now to access the Season 2 page, distribution for this Season 2 will be allocated next year, meaning that you have time to farm if you miss out on this Season 1. The current price of UXLINK is close to 70 cents. It has touched $1.25 last month, November 2024. So for it to have gotten to over $1 per coin, and now it's currently at 70 cents, I think you don't want to fade the Season 2 again. This is the last chance to earn this free airdrop from this platform. So this is it. On these 3 lines, come to this airdrop 2049. You see UXLINK Season 2. You can still go through this link, UXLINK Season 2. And you see UXLINK Season 2 airdrop events, top priority task. They have top priority task, which is the staking task, and they have routing task. So they said, this is it. We will use USCore to evaluate the contribution to UXLINK based our priority, and there will be 2 types of tasks, which are priority task and routing task. And just like the word means, priority tasks will get higher score and routing tasks will get lower score. So this is these are the Season 2 tasks. All this taking stake UXLINK for 30 days, stake UXLINK for 60 days. These are the priority tasks. Priority task is to stake. If you don't have UXLINK to stake, go to Get.io exchange, buy UXLINK. You can use $5, $10, any amount to buy UXLINK and send it here. So to buy UXLINK, after you must have created an account on this UXLINK using an OKX wallet, come to this these 3 lines, click on UX wallet. So this is it. The moment you click on UX wallet, this is the UXLINK. You see send, receive. So if you are buying on Get.io exchange, just come here to this UXLINK platform. On your OKX, click on receive. Then copy your address. Is under Arbitrum 1 network. The same thing, if you have collected, if you have UXLINK here and you want to send out, you click on send. You must have Arbitrum 1 as gas fee. But if you are sending out, if you are sending from Get.io to this particular platform, to their platform, you only pay gas fee on Get.io, and you might also need Arbitrum Ethereum, like less than $1 as gas fee for staking, because they will charge you gas fee. This is it's built on Arbitrum Ethereum network, meaning that you buy Ethereum and withdraw via Arbitrum network. That is what they call ARB Ethereum. Buy Ethereum. When withdrawing from exchange, choose ARB network, and automatically you have the Arbitrum ETH. So you are sending it here. You see Arbitrum 1. Send only ETH on Arbitrum chain to this address, or you might lose phone. So buy Ethereum on exchange and withdraw via Arbitrum 1. It's very cheap withdrawing via Arbitrum 1. Less than $1 will be enough to complete staking gas fee, withdrawal gas fee, and all of that. So you need Arbitrum 1 as your gas fee, and you also need UXLINK to stake. So all of these things, you can use approximately like $6 to do all of these things. Use $5 to buy UXLINK on Gate.io. Use $1 to buy Ethereum, just convert. Then withdraw via Arbitrum 1 network if you are withdrawing UXLINK or you are withdrawing Ethereum. Every withdrawal has to go with Arbitrum 1 network. That's it. So with $6, you can farm this airdrop. The season 1 was totally free, but for those that didn't have the season 1, for myself, I have UXLINK to stake, so I'm not really spending anything. So that's the essence. So if you participate in this 30-day staking, you get 300 U score. That is what they are using to allocate airdrop with airdrop allocation for this season 2. If you choose 60-day staking, you get 800 U score. And if you choose 180-day staking, you get 3,200 U score. So this is what I'll be choosing actually. This 180 days, and they have 360 days as long as. So let me just do 180 days. So let's assume I'm staking for 180 days. I'll just click on stake. Then I'll select OKX wallet because I'm using OKX. Why is it stopping? I have to select this. So you see, amount to stake. I must have my UXLINK to stake under the wallet page that I showed you guys that if you want to send from Gate.io to the wallet. So I'll proceed now to deposit UXLINK to that particular wallet, then come back here to stake for 180 days, and automatically I receive 3,200 U score. Proceed to deposit UXLINK to the address, then I'll come back here to stake so that you can see what I'm going to be earning. But I don't think there is minimum staking. So with $6 or with $5, you can do this thing and earn reward. Just choose their staking so that you can get the season 2. By doing this, automatically you qualify for the season 2. As simple as that. So let me proceed to just stake, and that's it. Just stake and you earn the UXLINK score and you get allocation by January or February, whichever. So that's it. So I'm gonna go back to my wallet here. Click on deposit. I'll click on receive. And I'll just copy the address. Then I'll go to where I have my UXLINK and send here. I can still stake like 200 pieces of this UXLINK. So I've just deposited 100 pieces of UXLINK to their platform. You see, 100 UXLINK. So now I can go back to the staking page and see if I will be able to stake for my available balance, or I'll have to deposit it to the wallet itself. Okay, where you have to deposit the UXLINK to is the wallet you are connecting with your UXLINK. So it's not on the platform itself. You can see it's not showing here. It's showing my OKX connected wallet. So I'll have to withdraw this UXLINK back to the wallet I connected to this OKX. So if you are depositing, what you need to do is to deposit directly to the OKX address that you are connecting to this site. So I will just withdraw back to OKX main page, not on this platform. Please take notes. Take notes. Deposit to the wallet you are connecting directly. So they are no longer putting the options for deposit for staking from their home wallet. They are giving us option to stake from our home particular wallet. So have your UXLINK on your wallet that you are connecting here, not on their wallet platform. So take note of that changes. So on OKX wallet, this particular wallet that I want to use to stake, you come to here, you have to first of all add the UXLINK. So I'll just use the contract address to search. Check the contract address in the description box of this video. Okay, let me use custom token. Add custom token. You select ARB1, that's the blockchain. Then you add contracts and you add up. So this is it. So now that I have my UXLink on my OKX, I can now copy the receive address, then send UXLink here, then continue to stake. So if you are sending from Gate.io, make sure you first of all add it on your OKX wallet that you are connecting to the platform. Then copy the receive address, go to your Gate.io, buy with as low as $1, send it to this OKX account, then go to their platform and stake. After you must have registered. By doing that, you will automatically qualify for season 2. Then you can do daily check-in also to earn additional airdrop. So that is the main thing you are doing on this UXLink season 2. Please don't make the mistake. You have to deposit your UXLink to your OKX wallet directly, not on the platform. So take note of that important changes. So I can come back here and still select my 180 days, select OKX. So available to stake balance, you see the 100 UXLink is now showing. Then I'll click on max. My score is giving me 320. This is a UXLink 320. Then I'll click on approve. So you see, then confirm amount, then confirm and verify. Okay, so I've staked the 100 UXLink. So now let me refresh this page and see what we have. So this one has been completed. You see staking. So I can decide to stake my other UXLink and split it in all of these ones to stake for 30 days, stake for 60 days, so that I can earn their U score from here. You see 320 U score, current staking 180 days. At the end of the 180 days, my UXLink will be automatically refunded back to my OKX wallet. I think that is why they wanted us to use OKX wallet directly. So I can decide to split some of this UXLink here too, so that I'll get the allocation score for all of these ones as well, especially these 360 days. Yeah, I can do 50 here or even 10 to get the US score. And of course, I should be able to get the airdrop for season 2. So now for this line task, which is the routing task, this one is requires you to new line account, follow UXLink official account, then follow airdrop 2024. All of this coming soon. Then CX tasks. These are upcoming tasks. These are upcoming tasks. So guys, basically with no further stress or anything, majorly participate in this staking with any amount you can afford. Buy UXLink if you don't have. Participate in this staking. Then you qualify for the season 2. Then these are other task, which is this line task. For this line task, what you need to do here is to sign up. I'll drop the link. It's still the same link. Then log in, follow them on Twitter, and all these upcoming ones too. Follow. These are social tasks. Join CX various trading campaign with UXLink. Refer to the campaign mechanism. This one is coming soon. This one is coming soon. So for this line tasks, some of them are coming soon, and while others are social tasks. Combine, follow, and all of that. So this is basically how to farm the UXLink season 2 airdrop. Sign up by connecting your the link with your wallet with your OKX wallet. Deposit UXLink to your OKX wallet. Connect your wallet to the UXLink platform. Then stake based on any amount of days, any number of days you want to stake for, either 30, 60, 180, 320, all of that. Choose the number of days you want to stake for. At the end of the staking period, your tokens will be sent directly to your OKX wallet. And the airdrop season 2 is happening January 2025. So they will be distributing the season 2 based on your score. And all of this staking is what is going to give you score. The more you stake, the higher days you choose for staking, the higher your earnings. So that is how it works basically. So all of these things will give you the score that will qualify you for airdrop allocation. No staking, no airdrop allocation. That is how it works. So you can put your $5, $10, $20, $50 to work and earn this potential airdrop. The current price is 65 cents as at the time of making this video. And this is a coin that has gotten to $1.25. So buying it now as a 65 cents, you know what that means. So you're in profit by the at the end of this staking period already. And you're also getting the season 2. As simple as that. So that's it. If you have if you earn the airdrop for season 1, then you just withdraw from what you've earned and stake. That's all. As you can participate in this Get.io 50% simple and top up USDT flexible rate available. So Get.io is giving 50% for this simple and highest USDT flexible rate. You can stake your USDT on Get.io exchange to earn up to 50% of staking rewards. That is what this event is all about. So check the link to join this event in the description box of this video. You can join the newcomer pegs for BTC all-time high. Check the link to sign up if you don't have an account on Get.io exchange. Use a VPN if the link is not opening for Get.io registration. Sign up and complete your KYC 1 and 2. Deposit USDT to share to earn 50% simple rate of staking. So that's it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of my subsequent updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one and bye for now.